Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So at first let's open the camera app, then tap on the more icon right here and then locate timer right here. And as you can see, you can have 3 seconds delay, 5 seconds delay, or the normal mode. So this is the normal mode. The picture is taken just after the click. And then if you will pick 3 seconds delay, then it will be taken after 3 seconds. And it's similar with 5 seconds, but let me show you. It's just a bit longer. It's 5-second countdown. And this is it. This is how you can activate camera timer on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.